Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be your professional coach, and here, we're diving into a topic that many find challenging but is absolutely crucial not only in sales but in providing services too: cold calling. Hence, if you are a working professional, student, or a freelancer, hold on tight for some good advices. Before we jump in, I want to remind you that effective cold calling is a skill that can be learned and mastered, and here's my approach to help you make your cold calls more successful. Step 1. Preparation. The first key to a successful cold call is preparation. Know your product, your target audience, and have a clear understanding of the problems your product solves. A. Research your prospect. Understand the prospect's industry, challenges, and recent news. Use social media platforms to gather insights about their preferences and interests. B. Develop a script but don't sound scripted. Create a framework with key points you want to cover. Practice the script until it feels natural and conversational. C. Anticipate objections and prepare responses. Identify common objections and have well-thought-out responses. Practice handling objections with a colleague or mentor. Step 2. Building rapport. Once you're on the call, it's crucial to establish a connection with your prospect. Building rapport creates a foundation for a more meaningful conversation. A. Start with a friendly greeting. If having video call, smile while speaking to convey warmth. Use the prospect's name early in the conversation. Personalize the conversation by addressing the prospect by name. Pronounce their name correctly to show attention to detail. B. Find common ground. Look for shared interests or experiences. For example, you both invest in crypto apart from your work. Use this information to build a connection. Step 3. Elevator pitch. Your elevator pitch should be concise yet compelling. Clearly communicate the value of your product or service brings to the prospect's specific needs. A. Keep it short, under 30 seconds. Focus on the most critical aspects of your offering. Practice delivering the pitch within the time frame. B. Focus on benefits, not just features. Explain how your product service solves a problem or fulfills a need. Emphasize the positive outcomes for the prospect. C. Tailor your pitch to the prospect's pain points. Align your pitch with the challenges your prospect is likely facing. Show empathy by addressing their specific pain points. Step 4. Ask open-ended questions. Engage your prospect by asking open-ended questions. A. Avoid yes/no questions. Encourage the prospect to share more information. Use questions that prompt detailed responses. B. Encourage them to share challenges. Frame questions around the problems they are currently dealing with. Listen actively without interrupting and take notes. Step 5. Handling objections. Objections are a natural part of cold calling. Rather than avoiding them, see them as opportunities to address concerns and build trust. A. Acknowledge the objection. Show empathy and understanding. Repeat the objection to confirm your understanding. B. Provide relevant information. Address the objection with factual and relevant information. Share success stories or case studies if applicable. Step 6. Close with a next step. End the call by proposing a clear next step. This could be scheduling a follow-up call, sending more information, or setting up a demo. A. Be specific about the next action. Clearly outline the desired next steps. Provide options for the prospect to choose from. B. Express enthusiasm for future discussions. Convey genuine excitement about the possibility of working together. Highlight the value they will gain from the next step. Obtain confirmation that the prospect is on board with the proposed next step. Schedule the next action before ending the call. And there you have it, a systematic approach to cold calling. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be discouraged by rejections. Use them as opportunities to refine your approach. If you found this video helpful, please give it a sweet like, subscribe for more free tips and tricks, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And if you can't able to find a way to find and contact potential clients, you can let me know in the comments and I'll bring a detailed steps to do that. See you next time.